Blessed Sigmar, the world drowns in corruption. Your empire is aflame with heresy. The faithful perish, and the wicked multiply. Blessed Sigmar, lend me your strength. Grant me the will to purge the corrupt, to smite the heretic, to bring hope when hope is lost. By the comet and the hammer, I pledge to the coming battle. I vow not to waver and never retreat. To stand tall against the flames of perdition. To drive back the shadow of chaos with your holy light.
Finished praying, have you?
Where is your patience, Master Dwarf? Have I ever let you down? Victory favors the faithful. Let us teach them fear. For Sigmar and the Empire!
Bueno, Bruce malchurra. Y epa laguno ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri Warhammer End Times Vermintide bi honetara. Gaurko zuzenekoan utzi dugu alde batera Total War Warhammer 3. Zuzeneko hau egiten nagoen egunean bertan, ez bideo bat dagoen momentuan ja aktualizazioa izango genuke bertan, eta kanpainak beste modu batera jolas ditzakegu eta beste ikuspegi ezberdin bat eman liezageguke, eta kaosaren erreinuak pikutara bidali. Kanpaina guztien helburua berdina izatea, bazkenean nahiko aspergarria bilakatzen da. Bueno, gaur jogatuko dugu tokatzen zaigunarekin, nire pertsona ikutsuna normala denez, gerilian izango litzateke, baina gian harriko dugu. A ver, da gure gerilian printzesa moduan, hau izango litzateke, edo bestela tokatzen zaigun pertsonaia, hemen zer helburu dauzkagun egiteko.
Got me a shipment fresh in from Altdorf. Why not have a look?
Gauza da, partida hauek jokatzeko hobeto dela ezagunekin jokatu, bestela hemen jendea nahiko gogaikarra biakatzen da. Zara oso ona, ez genuke hemen jokatu behar, eta horregatik joko hauek gomendatzen ditut gehiago jokatzea lagunekin, eta horrela egin daiteke entretenigarriagoa misioak. Vale. Eventuak ez dago, asterokoa. Gora partida normalak jokatzen, ez gara kaosaren errein basartuko. Vale. Partida eskarra eta jokatzen dugu. Vale. Orokorrean gerilian nahiko eskatuta egon hori da. Beste batzutan, suposatzen dut eroi berria ateratzen denean, eta jendeak hori aukeratzera behartuta dagoela sentitzen dut. Orduan partida topatzeko agian botekin frogatu beharra dago.
Every prisoner freed is one less slave used by the enemy, and repay the dead in kind, if you follow.
Bai, ulertzen zaitugu primeran. Jokoaren hasieran da.
Blightstormer, this is close. The storm cannot live without its master.
Vale. Hori non dago.
As still as do me, this is about to get messy.
Darlings, give an old woman a moment.
Vale.
Seems fate doesn't. But the winds! That hurt. Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
Patch yourself up, Sarah. That ogre will slaughter the brute.
God, it hurts. Make way! Not in shadow.
Right, you finish that brute.
It never stood a chance. I feel the winds writhing. The Blightstormer.
Dringbarati, I'm a bit banged up.
Bardin, time to heal. Roland, I'm losing blood. Rest, Sienna. Gather your strength.
Właśnie.
I'm down.
Zarin, someone help her. Zarin, have you strength for another bout? Not yet. Not yet.
Even you can't keep fighting forever, Bardin.
Właśnie. Bizitzaz ez gaude oso ondo.
What was the next farm? Hellgrounds, was it?
Borrokara joateagatik,
Oh,
egia esan ez du merezi.
Watch yourselves!
That's a
There's a
full
gas
here.
pack in here! Gas that's coughed its last! Who's grabbing that bomb?
A runner draws near.
Vale. Beti harrapatzen nau. Beraz berdin da.
Blood everywhere, and another one's gone! Shield vermin!
We run out of dance partners, darling.
One of them black rats!
Vale, orain Sagua asko ezutiko zaizku batzet.
Hey! Healing drop!
You've changed your tune, Carillion. How so? When we arrive, you couldn't wait to remind me.
Vale, hemen bizitza egentzun.
I don't like slavers.
Desiberatxeak edaltzen ditudanez ez ditut.
Is that not reason enough?
Rekargatu behar.
Come, finish me if you dare.
Still hanging on, Carillion?
Non dago bestea.
Guess that's dead!
Rattling!
A gutter runner trips me.
Whoa! Slow down, Bardin. Leave some for the rest of us.
Don't think that'll be a problem, Saren. They're like fleas in a Tylian alehouse.
Agur.
You're embarrassing yourself. Stratos!
Hortuz gremorio bat bazegoela.
Indiscriminate slaughter in the service of Hennessy.
Through the barn, lumberboots. Time's a wasting. No way through that gate, lumberboots. Not without a key. Eyes in the dark. Trap! Barden!
Zara bizkana da.
Harmony combat!
Bizitza besortzen gaude. Uste jarri niola pasibo ere bizitza.
Help, guys, help.
Joder, caca.
Push Doomies down! A troll! Strike for Sigma! It's about to build story!
Bota egingo du.
Fowler! Sting!
Go save him! Go, go, go!
Fleeting shadow!
Here, have a ball! Be more careful, Garnickson. Any further off course and we'll all be dead. Be more careful, Garnickson.
And one eye's in trouble again.
All you've got! Ah! Really?
Hombre, goazen gorantza. Ui. Vale, ez nuen saltorik egin behar. Vale, goazen. A ver, ¿dónde datos? Donde vengo es datos.
Do not fail me now.
Ha! You're more bloodless than usual, One-Eye.
Assassin rat dead!
Flame spouter! Kill the rat who bears it!
No more fire rats.
You need patching up, Grimgy. Ammunition! Doesn't Sigmar say don't shoot the dwarf, Grimgy?
Vale, voy a
You'll never
cenar.
be as good as Oxfrey.
Lightning, please, Gunner!
Acá. Arigato, va. Guarroto sai tu núcleo.
I hope it's not spoiled.
Just a little aid, and I'll be fit to dance again.
Look at that armored brute! More plate than sense!
Oh, not so formidable now, is he? Captives! By the comet, we shall see them free!
Whoa, slow down, Bardin. Leave some for the rest of us.
Sorted out here, Robin Sarin. They're like fleas in a tile in air now. It's true. We never see. Hey, I'll leave them. Don't leave me down here.
But every dwarf, an elf, propping him up.
But why is your foul existence? Your sentence is death! Have a cab on the way. The dwarf shames us with his steel. Rothelm, Sigmar grant me strength.
Are the blades ready for that pack?
Adeusi.
Time to heal.
Can yet kill.
Even your wounds have wounds, dwarf.
Beware, Gatarada! Not yet.
Go softly into your failure, assassin.
The power of Sigmar compels thee!
The taste is worse than the smell.
Hacen Guerrilla.
All that squealing! You can't argue with the results.
Grimly, you should heal. No!
Barney! Time to heal! Barney! It's time to heal!
Read all the cavalry. Sorry! Gullickson, you should heal. Yes, yes.
Tend your wounds, dwarf.
Not yet. Not yet.
Parece no nada seguito a...
You need healing, Barden. I need a little help, darling.
Genetik esko. Hori magia gehiago erabiltzagatik.
I judge you all.
Magiaren aizeak ez dituzu kontrola.
Don't worry, Cutie. I'll be back.
Vale. Sufrituta. Ja, hogeita hamazgarren nivelera igoko gara. Ja. Itzuliko gara ezta. Agian frogatuko dugu. Hau.
Yeah, come on in out of the rain.
A ver.
Seems the ogres are migrating west. Better lock up the livestock.
Batzuk politak dira, beste batzuk... Bueno, bertzio hau itxusia ere ez da lozernekoa. Ah, Elirion! Nesango nuke... Bueno. Itxusia ez da maliketen agentea... Sombra bat. Hau egunen baten. Aldatzearren, Zer esaten duen. Uste da jarri dugula zailtasun handiago bat. Vale.
Sir, I've never asked. Whereabouts are you from? I was born in an insignificant hovel outside Senden. Oh, a Midlandlander. Explains your foul temper. I'm sure I misheard you. We used to have a saying back in Baron Krieger's personal guard. Don't cross a Midland.
What weighs several tons, draws rat men like flies, and sounds awful? If you just answered, "Oh no, not another bloody bell," then you win a pumpkin, you lucky bleeder. Don't eat it all at once, because you'll need provisions on your way to destroying the wretched thing. We don't actually know if that lump they've raised in Helmgart is a real screaming bell, but better safe than sorry.
A vermin-cast bell defiling Imperial ground is unacceptable. It is a symbol of corruption and must be destroyed.
Why bells, though? I don't get it. Rats should worship cheese or something.
Way I feel, I could scour Helmgart clean with beautiful, elegant flame.
Zailtasuna besta dela. Batzutan estoy cansado.
Right, that's another down!
That sound! Rattling gunner!
Die, will ya? What fire thrower?
Use my flames for the hotter, ratty. You.
Escuchen la una paquilla.
There's always bloody more of them, isn't there? For the bloody Reichshammer!
I unleash black powder.
Tengo niveles en el chat que está
This looks like the way
de
down.
veterano algo.
Backstabber! You hear what I hear, mate?
Bueno,
We got the leech, mate. But light!
Ha! The fire that dies!
Drinking!
A chaos warrior leads them.
Heal before Sir Gruber, you filthy bastard! You're held stuck in dirt. Hey. A lovely drop. So many, let's drive them back. This way. Railing, sir.
With this, I toast this. Even a witch has her uses.
Gas rat! You don't see it?
Gas attack! Watch out! It's on that rattling anyway! That gas rat's about to throw! That's a gas rat! Yeah! Stop fighting wounded, Bardin!
It's up here. Snow? As ever, our luck does not disappoint.
That's the drop.
That's plain. They bring warp fire to the battle. Imbibing a potion.
Get out of its path, Dory!
Incoming!
Get back!
No more poison rats, darling.
Coming through!
Only a wolf has more to give.
Hanging by a thread here. Tend your wounds, Azungi. Can't fight if you're dead.
pues neta. Vale.
bet you wish you were at the James College now, Sienna.
Oh.
Not done yet.
Bardi, time to heal. Through here.
Bai.
Down the hatch.
Bizitza errekuperatu beharra badauka.
Oi, Dory, don't forget your beloved dwarf.
Up, Gortson, up!
Slaughter don't get easier to see.
Bizartez ez da asko falta mapa bukatzeko. Ez erasotu atzetik. Eskaben
Good
jauna.
try, Dory. Now let's have another. Out you come, assassin! Doesn't the town look lovely in the rain? Except
Keep back, gas rat! Fire and brimstone! That gas rat's going
Acá.
Fuckers! Can you parry any more, Marco? Medical supplies. Just a little aid, and I'll be fit to dance again.
stop showing off! You'll never be as good as Ockree. Grimky, Paul Burns, the bloody Sigmar! Oh, you know your way around the chicky-wicky, Alan.
Thank you, Barney. Guess all those years as a battle wizard paid off.
That bell's alive, Dory. Bad news now. You whipping crap. I blame me.
Uy.
Gap!
Vale.
Are you with us, Grimgy? That recovery means business, Dory. Stay clear of its claws. Try to stop me!
Bazen. gutxi falta da. Nahiko txakatu behar ditugu, bai?
Can't take much more, darling.
Can you keep going?
Lo hace.
Fall and go!
The witch is a millstone around my throat. Hang on, Bardis! Surely your honor will not allow you to yield.
You're gravely wounded, Saltspire.
Bueno. Bueno, hemen elite gehiago katu ditugu 12rekin.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Ah, vale. Bai, ipotxa ere frogatuko dugu. Agian ez.
Better we never speak of the business again.
Now, that's something I can agree with, darlings.
Konbertsazio randomak.
What do you think of the twin-tailed comet's return, Sienna?
A great big flaming ball of death in the sky. I'm for it.
And what of the theological considerations?
What of them?
nahi duzuen.
That rotten lump Cetra's roused all of Nehekara to war.
Jokatu nahi
Hope he's
duzuen.
not planning on coming this way. It'll be trouble.
I've not heard you speak much of your lost hold lately.
Aye, well, more important things to do, aren't there?
We're grateful for your help, Gorrickson.
Oh, it takes more than Raki and Kazaki Doom to get rid of me.
Zuek aukeratu abentura eta gu joango gara hor zalantzarik gabe.
The end times, eh? Well, I suppose nothing good lasts forever. Best thing to do is make it count.
Vale.
The twin-tailed...
Listen, the town of Usingen's a smouldering ruin, and from what we gather, the Rotbloods are using the Baron's Manor as a storehouse for all the grain and loot they've pillaged. Your job is to blow the manor sky high, and do it soon, because there's an army of those sick buggers on their way to collect their spoils. You'll need black powder, and you'll find it in a mining emporium close to the manor.
Vale. Mapa hau gehiegi ez gustatzen, bueno.
The manor's food stocks will be destroyed, even if I have to do it all myself.
We will destroy every scrap. Depend on it.
Time to pay for what you've stolen, Kazaki Doom.
Agian kasu honetan edil izatea ondo gongo ditzateke.
Stand up, shape up, or shut up!
That one's dance is over.
A rot helm approaches.
The fast flow is mine!
Shield bearers, you'll burn the stage.
Keep that armor, Silky! Clear that right, Stormer, right? Don't waste that advantage. Float it!
Sorry,
Fucking Blight Stormer!
es fine.
Here's a healing draft.
Darling, that's a rattle gun.
Bueno, justo no empecé a hacerla. Gorroto dudan beste.
With no time to cut them down.
Come here, Wonder! Go on, hit me harder!
Esaten dudana, kaosaren defenda da. Eta hori gainera, bizitza berreskuratzeko ugari ditu.
I'll draw their attention. You hit them in the gauntlets.
Need a hand.
Bloody right hammer! Surely it was smart.
This better taste good.
It's loving you filthy bastard!
Night of murk and omens, darlings.
You do not die until I decree it, wizard.
Yani
Soak in the sights, darlings. Let it fire you up when hope is not enough.
Over here! Quickly now! Over here! Holy lustration! Done to pieces! Wait, that one was care, didn't you? Potion cash! Down we go, Johnny!
You're in the wrong district, darlings. No mana here.
civilización y de escudo.
Slaughter don't get easier to see.
The gurgle of a Globatia. Get back! Incoming! I don't like the look of that!
No more dancing for that Globadia.
If we cannot go over, a path beneath shall serve. Down the cellar! I drink this from these. Guard me a moment.
Worse than this. Hang on.
Ah, bueno, eta jokonetan modak ezak nola funtzionatzen duten.
Reckon I'm done for. You're as bad as Cousin Ockley. Accept some help, Azungi. Over here! Easy picking for you! Only a story! Now then to us! Make some hay!
That rat's got a reach, all right.
Ussingen is now but a name on a map. A curiosity for the ages to come.
Hookrat's dead!
Now steel alone must serve.
Off we go! Paparazzi. Here we go. Stand.
Vale. Guazen besten gana. Bestela sufrituko dugulako.
But now... One moment.
Come. You like that?
Ni ez dut ezer hartu, A ver.
All firm, Dory.
Hanging by a thread here.
Your wounds need tending, Marcus.
Oi! Over here! I kick my
Only hurts when I laugh.
Ah, no, you can't. The awesome man.
Chucking a bomb.
That all you got? You are survived.
You'll never be as good as us, Pete.
Still bloody hurts, but at least I'm not bleeding now.
Vale, guazen.
This time the easy picking, right back. Can't be that, can ya? Right on!
It looks
Right, hammer! Me back up!
Stay there, witch hunter.
By Sigma, speed your pace!
Through this door. Look at him run! Watch him die!
Lost control!
I need a little help, darling.
necromancer's down. Darren, have you strength under the bows? Hush! Who's this dummy there, man? Yeah. Target! Stop the ravenous thing from feeding! Over this way, Dringvarandi. Wiganassus is down.
Veneta.
Come, Wiganassus. Can he not? Beyond redemption is
Justo monstruo. Nadie es ganó el monstruo. Y te va a tocar.
Don't let me die with my boots on. You shall not die, Kruber! I forbid it! I think it's this way. The Kruti take you all, Kazaki Doom! I'm awake, my friends, and bloody
Help me!
Get him up, someone!
Meter hace dos. Uf. Corre que hay no. Ba, beno, laguna, hau izan da dena, espero gustoko zen zaizule, turrengoan gehiago.